Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. As you can see, this little drawer doesn't quite close. This is my kid cupboard in my kitchen, and it keeps just a lot of activities for my kids that I like them to do at the table in the kitchen, like coloring, Play-Doh, kinetic sand, markers, things like that. However, it's been about a year since I've cleaned this out, and as you can see, it is crazy. Things are stacked up to the very top here. As you can see, things are falling out and have like avalanched and are pushing against the cupboard, and that's kind of why it doesn't shut properly. I did get some organizing bins from the Dollar Tree, you can see there, but they haven't actually been used to open and something falls out. Great. There's just nothing in here that I can get anymore, so we're going to take everything out and organize it completely. So I am just going to start by taking absolutely everything out of this cupboard just so I can see what I am dealing with. And this organization, like a lot of things are kind of more craft things like that belong downstairs in the craft area. There's a lot of broken items like broken crayons, markers that don't work anymore, pieces of toys and things like that. So really it's not just going to be organization in this video, but I'm going to be going through like pretty much all these little bins and all the I'm going to be going through everything and just throwing away all the gross things, all the broken things. I'll even be going through all the coloring books and like taking out all the pages that have been colored. It's going to be kind of a crazy organizational process here, but it needs to happen. So I've been away from YouTube for a few weeks now, and I really have to say I've totally missed making my little videos here. I had LASIK surgery about 3 or so weeks ago, and then as I'm healing from that, all 3 of my boys got super bad colds, and then they gave it to me. And so it was just like, you know, healing from LASIK and then super sick. And so I just, kind of took a step back and was just kind of really, healing and trying to get better, trying to get my boys better and everyone feeling good in this house. And everybody's on the mend now. And I totally missed making my little videos here. And so I'm glad to be back at it. Anyways, here is all the items that came out of the cupboard. As you can see, there's just so much stuff. It's insane that all this stuff fit in there. No wonder it was avalanching out. So now I'm literally just gonna go through like everything here, like every little box, every little container, every bag. I went through everything, throwing away so much stuff. And also like taking things downstairs to my crafting area and then just organizing so I know exactly what is what. You know, we had so many coloring books, but then I have a lot of like educational books for the boys, like working on ABCs and numbers and things like that. So I wanted to make sure I had them all separated. So when I'm going in there, I can know like what are educational books, what are coloring books, you know, as well as knowing exactly what's in all the bins and things like that. So, just a lot to do.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking, everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going.
Okay, so now that I've gone through everything, I am just going to start putting everything back. Like with all my organizing, it's like playing Tetris here. I am still trying to fit just way too many items into this small space, but I'm just going to play a little bit of Tetris, make it all work, make everything fit, and we'll see how it all looks at the end.
With his humble lacking, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble lacking, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago. Just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes.
We are all finished. The cupboards closed. See that? The cupboard actually closes and I'm so happy. Yes. So as you can see, like night and day difference for sure. I have all their books completely organized, so I know, you know, in certain bins are just their coloring books, certain bins are sticker books, certain bins are educational, you know, ABC type books. No more avalanching, and I can see where everything is. And that gray little tub up there is all their Play-Doh and like Play-Doh accessories. I'm not gonna get it out. And then we have like the beans, dry erase markers, and things like that up in those little storage bins. More educational type toys. We have the kinetic sand right here, and it is all just really nice, accessible. You can see everything so much better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider watching another one. I missed all you guys, and I will see you all very soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.
I want this night to end, yeah, about time we stop pretending.